Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, we'll make a refreshing and delightful dish called noodles with cilantro, peanuts, and cucumbers. Let's dive right in. Start by crushing garlic cloves using a garlic press and placing them in a bowl. Add sesame seeds, chili flakes, and citron pepper powder to the bowl. Next, finely chop scallions and add them to the mix. Now, heat some cooking oil until it's nice and hot, then pour it into the bowl with the other ingredients. Give everything a good stir, and you'll get a fantastic aromatic sauce. It's time to enhance the flavors. Add soy sauce, vinegar, sugar, and salt to the mixture and stir thoroughly to achieve a well-balanced taste. In the meantime, cook the noodles according to the package instructions. Once they are done, give them a refreshing rinse with cold water to prevent sticking. Now it's assembly time. Pour the prepared sauce over the cold noodles and don't forget to add the freshly chopped cilantro. It brings a burst of flavor. For a delightful crunch and freshness, use a shredder to cut the cucumber into thin stripes and add it to the bowl. To elevate this dish further, add some peanuts. They'll provide a delightful nutty texture. Finally, give everything a good mix until all the flavors and ingredients are beautifully combined. And there you have it! Your delicious cold noodles with cilantro, peanuts, and cucumbers are now ready to be savored. Give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.